Okay guys, thank you for tuning in. Today's video is going to be a walk around of the Xv250 and an update video. So what have we done so far to the Xv250? The first thing that we did to the bike, if I remember correctly, was we bought the front fender. It looks great. I'm very happy with the way that turned out. And I think the second thing we did to the bike, I made this exhaust. And the exhaust sounds great. I'll do a start up here in just in a moment. The back fender, we chopped it, not just the top, but we also chopped the bottom section as well, which that takes away a lot of the weight when we move the back seat and stuff. We installed these LED turn signals. We also installed a LED flasher. You can see that on the channel. There's a video on all that. We installed this brake light with the stop. And we installed the solo seat, and we did a fuel pump delete. No more fuel pump. We run this. Let's turn the fuel on so the bike can go ahead and be getting gas, and I'll start it up for you and show you exactly how it sounds. I want to move the key switch here soon, so that'll probably be a video on that. Now we got power to everything. Let's start the bike up. Whoops. Gotta be in neutral, James. Not sure what happens to a lot of you. Now we let the bike warm up for a moment. I got the headlights on my 51 Chevy shining on the motorcycle because it is dark out. I let it get dark on us again. I got caught up. It revs super good. It runs great. It might be a tad bit witch, but nothing major. I'm going to do an L-box mod to it, so that's how come when I put the carburetors together I made it just a tad bit witch. So when I remove that and do an L-box mod and stuff, it should put it about perfect. But all in all, I'm very happy with the motorcycle. We also removed the front turn signals. But this Xv250 is turning out great. There will be more videos on the channel coming soon, so be sure to hit that subscribe button. I appreciate it if you do. And drop some comments in the section below. I enjoy hearing from you guys. And there will be videos on this 51 Chevy coming very soon. There's a few done on the channel, but I ain't had too much time to get to the 51. I'll see you at the next video.